We are now in Gdansk, and by the echo you can hear that I got us another really old apartment with 4 levels of steps. So we'll get our exercises worth, but the location, we are 100 meters away from the center of Gdansk. Marcin said we couldn't get a parking spot anywhere near the apartment and we would have to walk a long, long way. That's the car there.
Udało ci się.
Udało mi się. I mean, if you were to compare Gdańsk to Wrocław, it's a completely different city. It's a completely different city square. The culture's a little bit different as well. Way more people. But it's stunning, absolutely stunning here.
I was just sort of thinking of, like, this is so much busier than the square in Wrocław. And we were there on the weekend and today is like Wednesday.
Yeah.
And it's just packed full of people.
Very packed.
Yeah.
And even different to Warsaw as well, Stare Miasto.
Yeah.
It's just a completely different place. So although the main street of Gdańsk is where all the restaurants are, pubs, casinos, strip clubs, you name it, you can find it there. What you got to do is turn right, turn another right, and go into the little tiny streets. And you can find some amazing local cafes, restaurants. Prices are a little bit cheaper, but they also sell ember from the Baltic. If you don't know what ember is, look it up. Bursztyn. But wonderful little restaurants, cafes, Polish kitchens. You're walking on, cobblestone roads. Maybe they were replaced or original, I don't know. But it is a fantastic, beautiful city. It's just stunning here. Look at this. This is the Lumi shot bar. Last time we couldn't go downstairs because Lumi was here with us, so this time we're going to do it. Cześć! Tu. Cześć, na zdrowie! Zdrowie, Lumi! O! Dobra, dzięki.
To $7? Tak?
$7. To był, a w samym byłby jeden shot.
Aha.
So that cost, those 4 shots cost us $7.53. $7.53
For 4 shots.
4 shots.
Cocktails.
I don't
even know what that would cost in Brisbane.
One shot would be $8.
Oh.
At least. I mean, look at Polish Club, $8.
Yeah.
So, thanks, Lumi. Thanks for a good time. Sorry you couldn't be here. So we did this in Warsaw with Mark. And actually, I did this last time I came in Poland with my friend Edyta and Davi. So now we're doing it here in Gdańsk again. This is going to be good. We're just stopping at every shot bar now.
Wiśnia, nie? Ale wiśnia, nie? Typowa wiśnia. Nie jest jakiś tam...
It's good to be back in Poland. How much was that?
That was
42 zloty.
14 zloty for 3, which basically means $14.
$14.
So a little bit more expensive, but...
So yes, you can buy a lot of amber, which is fished out of the Baltic Sea, and they'll make it into various shapes and sizes, and you can spend as little as 30 zloty up to, 10,000 zloty, depending on what you need. That is the most famous building in Gdansk, which is the old famous crane, which is a must-see when you're here.
Na piwo pracujcie! Dobra, to ruszyli, nie?
Dawaj!
Szybciej!
This is just so beautiful. Look at that view. I mean, I love Gdansk. This is perfect here. Mark asked for a small beer. So he got a small beer. We asked for a micro beer. Pivo.
Thanks for calling.
Ale oscypek mają też. Masz, dys. Deser?
Żurawino.
Żurawiny, tak. Chcesz jednego? Cranberry.
Cranberry.
Just put it on there and try it.
Dziękuję bardzo.
Dziękuję pani. I told you.
Yeah.
Prawdziwy oscypek, real oscypek. Well, we've had a lot to eat, we've had a lot to drink. Good night, Gdansk, you've been wonderful. We survived.
Żyjemy.
Żyjemy, we survived. Allah, you are happy, he survived.
Też przeżyłam, tak, wy też.
Good night, Gdansk, you've been wonderful. Look at this. Night time. So nice.